Hey, we're going to do a little experiment today. I don't use the Instapot a whole lot, so I'm going to be figuring this out as I go, and maybe you'll learn from my mistakes. I've got a baby back rib here, and I've got a St. Louis rib here. They've both been rubbed down with mustard, and then just use your favorite rib rub. We use our own custom rib blend here. They're going to go in the Instapot. It's going to take it, I'm guessing, about 20 minutes to get the pressure, and about another 25 minutes of cook time there. Then we're going to go ahead and move them over to the broiler and just crisp them up on each side, about 5 minutes each side. I want to see how this stacks up to if I were to just do them in the oven. Is it worth using the Instapot? Does it save you that much time? Let's check it out. Let's see. So down in the bottom of the Instapot here, we've got a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and some water just to have something in there. You can add liquid smoke to that if you want. It's got mixed reviews. We did add a little bit, not something I normally mess with, but tried something new here. So we're going to try to fit both these in where they got plenty of space. Just baby back, and here comes the St. Louis. I think that should be sufficient. Just going to clean the edge here. Got a little sauce and rub on that. Want to make sure it seals good. Once you got the lid secured, you just want to make sure you set it where it's at the ceiling setting. Set ours to manual, and then we're going for 25 minutes. All right, I'm going to ventilate the pressure here. Make sure you stand back from that as it can burn you. So we already did the 5-minute natural pressure release. This is what you get after that. Looks good. You can tell they're super tender. If I pick up one of those bones, it's going to come right out. Looks like one did on its own already. These look like they're going to fall apart, so I'm going to do my best to keep them together, get them to the next step here. Baby back ribs. Oh geez, these want to fall apart already. I mean, you can see super tender ribs, that's for sure. Let's stay together. I'm missing a few bones, but mostly good. You go ahead and use your preferred barbecue sauce. And before we crisp them up, just go ahead and get it coated. Got our broiler preheated at 450. We're going to see what this looks like after about 5 minutes, see if it crisps up the outside at all. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, they look done to me. Let's see what's going to be better. What do you guys think? Baby back or the St. Louis? Start with what's closest here. Oh, those are falling apart. Looks good. I'm going to try the St. Louis. Flavor's nice. The tenderness is perfect. We got it nice and crisp on the outside and just fall apart in the middle. It's a solid rib. I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite. I prefer when we throw them on the smoker or even our own grilling method. As far as are they as good as if I just did them in the oven, without having a side by side, I'm gonna say probably. I'm gonna say probably equal to
if you did them slow in the oven and crisp them at the end. All right, we tried our St. Louis. We can go ahead and try the baby back here. But man, for years I always preferred the St. Louis, and here lately, every time I do a side-by-side taste test, I'm preferring the baby back. Something about it. The flavor is just better, texture is just better in this case. Didn't set out to do a comparison video between the two. Really was comparing this to oven ribs versus the Instapot ribs. I think this is a fantastic go-to for doing ribs quickly. If you're cooking for a crowd, I think it's good enough. I don't think you're going to disappoint anybody doing this. If you have the time and the means and you have a smoker, that's the way to go. That's definitely the way to go. That's the best ribs I've ever had kind of thing. But this here is no complaints. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this very much so. Well, anyways, guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.